Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to take you inside one of the most luxurious creations on wheels, the 2025 Prevost Motorcoach. At a staggering $3 million, this rolling palace is built for those who believe travel should never mean sacrificing comfort, elegance, or convenience. The moment you see it, you'll know this isn't just another RV. It's a masterpiece designed for people who want to experience the road as though they never left a 5-star resort. Let's step inside and explore the motorhome, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the bathroom, each space crafted to an extraordinary level of detail. The motorhome itself is breathtaking in its design. With panoramic windows, handcrafted leather seating, and rich finishes, it instantly feels like stepping into a high-end residence. The atmosphere is warm and refined, making the living space ideal for entertaining guests or simply relaxing on a cross-country trip. Every corner is packed with thoughtful design choices that transform long journeys into moments of comfort and elegance. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, which goes far beyond what most people expect in a motorhome. This isn't just a place to prepare meals, it's a full-scale gourmet kitchen that rivals what you'd find in a luxury penthouse. With full-sized appliances, including a double-door refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in wine chiller. You're equipped to make everything from a simple breakfast to an elaborate dinner party feast. The countertops are made from premium stone, offering plenty of prep space, and the cabinetry is handcrafted with attention to both beauty and durability. What makes the kitchen even more impressive is how it blends form and function so perfectly. The smart layout makes cooking on the road effortless, with everything within easy reach. Storage is abundant, with custom drawers and compartments designed to keep cookware secure while traveling. Add in subtle lighting and sleek finishes, and suddenly this kitchen feels less like an RV setup and more like a luxury condo's cooking space. It's a true chef's haven, whether you're parked in the wilderness or near a coastline. Stepping into the bedroom, luxury takes on an entirely new dimension. The Prevost Motorcoach offers a private sanctuary that ensures restful nights, no matter where you are. The king-size bed dominates the space, dressed in high-end linens and supported by premium memory foam for maximum comfort. The warm lighting, large windows, and carefully designed decor create an atmosphere of calm and elegance that feels like a boutique hotel suite. But the bedroom goes even further in making travel feel indulgent. With built-in wardrobes, custom storage solutions, and entertainment systems integrated seamlessly into the design, it's more than just a place to sleep. It's a retreat that reflects the very essence of high-class living. You can wake up to breathtaking views while wrapped in pure comfort, making every morning on the road something to look forward to. The bathroom, too, is a marvel of modern luxury. With marble-style finishes, high-end fixtures, and a spacious walk-in shower, it's hard to believe this is inside a motorhome. The rainfall showerhead, glass doors, and heated floors bring the feeling of a private spa directly into your traveling lifestyle. Every element is chosen to create a sense of serenity and refreshment. Adding to that, the bathroom design balances both practicality and indulgence. There's abundant storage for personal items, premium lighting for a bright and clean look, and an overall sense of space that most RV bathrooms simply can't offer. It's not just functional, it's pampering, giving you the kind of experience you'd expect in a luxury resort suite. So when you combine the incredible motorhome design, the chef-worthy kitchen, the hotel-style bedroom, and the spa-like bathroom, you see why the 2025 Prevost Motorcoach earns its reputation as a $3 million rolling palace. It's a symbol of lifestyle and ambition, proving that true luxury knows no boundaries, not even on the open road. If you enjoyed this look at the Prevost Motorcoach, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more reviews of the world's most extraordinary vehicles.